In today's video, we are going to show you how to install an XPI file in Mozilla Firefox. This is useful if you have downloaded a Firefox extension manually and want to install it directly. Let's begin. Now, first, open Firefox and go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines, and I want you to scroll down until you find Settings. Go to the left side area of the navigation and I want you to click the Extensions and Themes. Now, in the Manage Your Themes, there is going to be like a gear icon or the settings. I want you to click on it and there is an option that says Install Add-on from File. If you click on it, browse your computer and select the XPI file you want to install and then click Open. So in this case, this is going to be my XPI. An XPI file is the installation file used by Mozilla Firefox extensions and add-ons. So think of it like an .exe for Windows or an APK file for Android. It's what installs extra features into Firefox. After installing it, all I have to do is allow permission. If you want to review it, you can do so. And basically, that's it on how to add XPI file in Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.